Welcome to Highperformr AI. If you've just signed up, this short walkthrough will help you get familiar with the platform and ready to create content in under 3 minutes. To begin, go to Highperformr.ai and click Sign Up at the top right. You can enter your email and password or sign in via single sign-on for faster access. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Post Creation Library and Hub, where you can start creating and managing your social media content. This is also the Ask Highperformr AI module, which is your AI co-pilot for social media post creation. Here, you can start with a topic or trending news, pull content directly from a blog, website, or LinkedIn post, or use ready-made templates such as we are hiring, announce a webinar, or share event details. You also have the flexibility to upload a PDF, write your own content, or provide a custom AI prompt. In the side navigation menu, you'll find a couple of other modules that focus on social publishing and content planning, helping you draft, schedule, and measure content across platforms. The social media calendar gives you a full view of your content landscape, helping you visualize how your posts are scheduled across weeks and months. The Social Content Planner offers a Kanban-style view, giving you a 360-degree look at all content, drafts, schedule, and publish, so you can manage campaigns with clarity and speed. Analytics gives you actionable insights across post performances, engagement metrics, top-performing formats, and channel-level comparisons. The next 4 modules in the side navigation menu support GTM automation and intelligence, powering buyer engagement, signal-based outreach, and automated GTM workflows. With the Ask Highperformr AI module, you can describe your ideal buyers, and Highperformr AI will return best matched contacts or companies via AI or filters. The Audience module is the heart of Highperformr AI, as this is your data command center. All records are grouped into segments, each designed for a specific task like enrichment, de-anonymization, or tracking web traffic. The Automation module supports social media workflows including content scheduling and publishing. Integrations lets you connect LinkedIn, X, CRM systems, and other platforms, ensuring seamless data flow into Highperformr AI. Settings here is where you manage your profile, team members, preferences, access controls, and credit usage. There are a few more key touch points across the interface. At the very top, you'll see the AI session counter. Your workspace includes up to 30 co-pilot sessions every day. These reset every 24 hours, so if you hit the limit, check back after the reset. At the bottom left corner, you'll find quick connect buttons for LinkedIn and X if you haven't linked them yet. Whenever you're on the platform, clicking the green plus new thread button is a quick way to start generating a new content idea instantly. The workspace is located at the bottom left of your Highperformr AI dashboard. It lets you switch between different teams or client environments with just a click, and this is usually ideal for agencies or multi-brand teams. Inside each workspace, you can manage members, assign roles, connect social accounts, and configure agents. It's the foundation where team setup and execution come together. And that's your quick tour of Highperformr AI, from signing in to exploring the post-creation library and hub to navigating the main menu. You're now ready to draft content, schedule posts, and track results with confidence. If you need more help, you can always reach out to teams at Highperformr.ai. See you in the next video. Thank you.